In a quiet hospital room, where the machines blink like patient constellations, an elder statesman lies listening for the pulse of a nation. He once helped shape. His name is not important. His legacy is. Beside him stands Manny, nurse, attendant, accidental historian, feeding him updates from the leadership convention, unfolding miles away. Your son is ahead, Manny says softly, as though reporting the weather of a country's soul. The old man closes his eyes. He has walked a long road through prairie winters, union halls, church basements, and the stubborn hope of people who believed that compassion could be policy. He remembers the giants, the preacher doctor who stitched a health plan from the cloth of human dignity, the pacifist who stood alone when standing alone was dangerous, the philosopher who argued that justice was not a dream, but a blueprint, the woman who carried the movement through its leanest years, the urban firebrand who made hope fashionable again. They're all gone now, but their shadows still attend. Every convention, every vote, every trembling moment when a new leader rises. Manny reads the next update. The sun is still ahead. The elder statesman exhales a sound like a page turning. He thinks of the long century of the People's Commonwealth Party, born in dust and hunger, raised on picket lines, tempered by defeats, renewed by stubborn idealists who refused to let the dream die. And now his own son stands at the podium of history, carrying the torch that once burned in his hands. Tell me more. The old man whispers, and Manny, faithful witness, keeper of the bedside chronicle, continues reading the unfolding story of a movement that refuses to disappear. Outside, the prairie wind presses its face to the window, as if listening to. A sun rises, a father listens, a century turns, and in that small hospital room, history leans forward to hear its own heartbeat.